I'm Caroline over here at Premier Fitness, and today we're going to do a 5-minute leg workout. So for this, we'll be doing 45 seconds of the exercise and then 15 seconds rest. So it's only 5 exercises. I'm not going to use weights today, but you're more than welcome to use weights if you'd like. And this is something that, again, can be used more than once. You can do it 2 to 3 times if you'd like. So I have my phone here for a timer. So we're going to start with back lunges. So just what they sound like, just lunging behind you. So here we go. When you're lunging, just make sure your knee is just right on top of your toe. We're keeping our back straight. When you're going through these exercises, just make sure you go at your own pace. You can do whatever speed feels good for you. It's not a race, but just go at your own speed. Good, 15 more seconds here. 10, 5, almost there, last one, good. So 15 seconds of rest. Our next exercise is going to be squats. So just like this. And when you're doing these, just make sure your back is straight. I put my hands like this because I hold weights like this normally, or I'm using the barbell. So, do whatever feels good. Good. 15 more seconds. 5, almost there, and 1, good job. Okay, so our next exercise, we're going to do curtsy squats. They're just like they sound. It's like you're curtsying, but you're squatting. All right, 3, 2, 1, here we go. Good. So if you do decide to use handheld weights, you can just hold them here at your side when you're doing this. Seconds, almost done. 5, and 1. Good job. So our next one will be calf raises. So by the end of this, your calves will be burning. So it's just up. Don't let your heels hit the ground. We'll go in 3, 2, and 1. If you have a ledge or something you can stand on where your heels can hang off, that's a good place to do it too. Again, if you have weights, you can hold them here. Good job. 20 seconds. I can feel my calves burning. Almost there, 10 seconds. And 1, good job. Okay, our last exercise is going to be a squat and step. Squat and step. We got 6 more seconds till we need to start. So again, last exercise, here we go. Squat and step, squat and step. As you're doing these, make sure your legs aren't out or in. Should be pretty in line with your hips. And when you're doing these squats, your body weight should be even on your feet. Good job, 10 more seconds, we're almost done. Good, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Okay, so that was it for your 5 minutes. 5 minutes is not a lot of time. It is kind of tiring. I'm out of breath. But again, you can do this a few more times. If you want to grab weights and make it a little bit harder, you can do that as well. Make sure you join us again here on YouTube. We'll have more videos. And thanks for joining us. Have a good one.